of things, I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for a special occasion.
I'm gonna get one book kung mayroong may interest there. I found the image album book and I've always wanted to own one. Yeah, I'll take this, yung image album. I look so smart holding a book. Di nila alam bobo ako. Joke lang. I'm not bobo. Maybe a little bit, pero not that much. I think I accidentally picked this book for a reason. The preface starts to resonate with me. It's so exciting. All the stores are closed. Pati Starbucks, pati Tim Hortons. How am I gonna do my reading assignments kung ganito? I'll just look for a coffee shop na hindi masyadong mainstream. Tapos kung pwede mag-aral, edi doon ako mag-aral. So I have 3 reading assignments na over 100 yung chapters. I mean over 100 pages yung kailangan tapusin. Pero I was able to finish one na so 2/3 na lang yung kailangan kong ma-achieve. Hindi ako makapagsalita dun kasi sobrang tahimik. Nakakahiyang mag-ingat. I like that place. It's so white. Joke lang. Ang ganda ng lighting. Nakakaenggan yung mag-aral. Tapos hindi ganun kalakas yung music. Yeah, I like cafes na nagpapatugtog ng mga hindi famous na kanta, yung mga hindi mainstream kasi kapag mga Taylor Swift or anything na mainstream yung pinapatugtog, I can't help but sing sa utak ko. Pag ganun yung situation, hindi ako nakakapag-aral kasi sinasabay ako sa utak ko, sensory overload ako pag ganun yung cafe. What I'm trying to do right now is find another place where I can finish my second session of book reading. Ang ganda tumira dito sa Makati kasi although mainit, mapuno naman. So madaming shade. Tsaka di mo rin ma-feel yung init. Kasi it's cool. Kaso lang, masyadong mahal yung mga apartment dito sa Makati.
Maaari na tumawid.
Medyo paggabi na. So that only means na my GoPro isn't going to perform optimally. Kasi for some reason, malaki naman yung sensor niya pero hindi ganun kaganda yung output pagka low light. And buti pa yung Insta360. Joke lang. Mahal ko pa rin yung GoPro kahit ganito siya. Pero at times gusto na kitang palitan talaga.
Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit. In the corner store, like they keep on all the time. When it's closed, like your eyes. When you say the thing that's really on your mind. At your core, you see me like you've never seen a friend before. You got a girl, but it make you think that maybe you want more.
Laki mo.
You like to please a crowd, I promise you they won't find out. Said your mom wouldn't be too proud, just to smoke and drink and scream and shout.
I'm home and I'm so tired. Ang dami. Grabe yung nilakad ko. Parang mga 3 hours ako naglalakad. Okay lang kasi masaya naman yung pinuntahan ko.
Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit. I want what I can't have, so I dilute the things you do, project the way I feel on you. And now I'm self-aware enough to know the truth, but not to stop.
Pupunta ko ng Starbucks to study kasi this degree is not gonna finish itself. So, what am I wearing?
Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit. Come on baby, roll me up, take a hit, smoke my love till you miss it. I think that I can get you addicted. Take me like you're taking something illicit.